In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Make.com with Notion. This process can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it straightforward and can open up great possibilities for automating your workflow between Make.com and Notion. So, let's get started. To begin, navigate over to Make.com by going to their website dashboard. If you haven't yet logged in, you'll need to log in or create an account. Once you're at the main dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. But for today's integration, we'll focus on something specific: accessing scenarios. These scenarios are essentially workflows that allow you to automate tasks and integrate different applications, including Notion. Next, you're going to click on the Scenarios tab. This will bring you to the screen where you can manage current scenarios or create new ones. Since we're integrating Make.com with Notion, you'll want to create a new scenario, so go ahead and click on Create Scenario. This may take you to a new page designed to help you set up the step-by-step details of the automation. Once you're in the Create Scenario interface, you'll need to select the type of application you want to connect. Scroll through the list of applications and click on Notion. You might also use the search bar to find it quicker if you have many apps. After selecting Notion, you want to proceed by clicking on the Create a Database action. This is because you'll typically want to manage or create database entries through Make.com commands, and this setup requires database access through Notion. Now it's time to establish a connection between Make.com and your Notion workspace. Click on Create a Connection, which will prompt you to set this up. At this point, you'll see an option to choose a connection type. You can select between Notion Public or Notion Internal. For this scenario, Notion Public is chosen, enabling you to connect with public databases. Make sure to select the connection type that best suits the data access needs you have for your specific tasks. After selecting the connection type, you'll be prompted to authorize and save the connection. Click on the Save button to finalize this. Once you've saved your settings, your new integration will be live. You can now automate tasks between Make.com and Notion, effectively linking your data flow and task management workflows. And there you have it. A seamless integration of Make.com with Notion, creating a powerful synergy. Remember, mastering these integrations takes practice, so feel free to rewatch this guide as needed.